Hi. Let's continue learning about numbers. First, let's review the last lesson. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time to go on to the next group of numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Practice. 11 pens. 10, 11, 11 pens. 12 pencils. 10, 11, 12, 12 pencils. 13 erasers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 erasers. 14 books. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 books. 15 bags. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 bags. 16 tables. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 tables. 17 chairs. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 chairs. 18 scissors. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 scissors. 19 rulers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 rulers. 20 crayons. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 crayons. Let's review. What number is this? 15. What number is this? 11. What number is this? 20. What number is this? 12. What number is this? 17. What number is this? 18. What number is this? 13. What number is this? 16. What number is this? 14. What number is this? 19. Let's review. How many scissors are there? 12. How many erasers are there? 20. How many pens are there? 15. How many tables are there? 11. How many bags are there? 18. How many crayons are there? 13. How many pencils are there? 16. How many chairs are there? 14. How many books are there? 17. How many rulers are there? 19. Last review. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Bye.